In today's video, I'll show you how to disable your PIN on Signal. First, open the Signal app on your device. Once on the homepage, tap the three dots menu at the top right, then select Settings. Next, tap Account. Then, select Advanced PIN Settings. Tap Disable PIN. You will see a warning message asking if you are sure. If you want to continue, tap Disable PIN again. Keep in mind that disabling your PIN means you may lose your profile, settings, and contacts if you re-register your account, and it will also disable registration lock. If registration lock is currently enabled, you must disable it first before turning off your PIN. And that's it. That's how you disable your PIN on Signal.